Have you noticed your engine stumbling at idle, almost like it is choking on its own breath? Or maybe your fuel economy has taken a nosedive, along with a check engine light for code P045E. This is a serious drivability issue that you do not want to ignore. This code stands for exhaust gas recirculation B control stuck open. Let me break that down. Your EGR system is designed to take a bit of the exhaust gas and feed it back into the engine to lower combustion temperatures and reduce emission. It is a great system when it works. However, this code tells us that the valve is stuck in the open position when the computer wants it closed. Imagine trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw, but someone keeps force-feeding you smoke. That is basically what your engine is dealing with. The B just refers to a specific stage or position in the step-down control system. This is super common on high-mileage vehicles, Ford, GM, Toyota, and others. The main culprit here is almost always carbon buildup. Over time, soot and carbon from the exhaust turn into a hard gunk that wedges itself in the valve plunger, preventing it from closing. This causes that rough idle, stalling, and lean exhaust condition. To tackle this, you need a scan tool to look at the data stream. Compare the desired EGR position to the actual EGR position. If the computer commands 0%, but the actual reads 20%, you have found your problem. The fix often involves getting your hands dirty. If you can access the EGR valve, take it off. You will likely see a chunk of carbon holding the valve open. Sometimes you can clean it out with carburetor cleaner and a brush, restoring the movement. But if the electronic solenoid part of the valve is dead, no amount of cleaning will save it, and you will need to replace the unit. Also, do not forget to check the wiring. A short to voltage can trick the computer into thinking the valve is open. Check the connectors for burns or corrosion. Once you fix it, clear the code and let the computer run its readiness monitors to make sure the repair sticks.